Good afternoon, Edison Elementary. Hi, I'm Firefighter Wheeler.
I'm Firefighter Sinani.
And today we're talking about lights
and sound waves.
Let's go down the road and check it out. On this side, we're going to have all of our hoses, which we put the fire out with. This is where all the master controls are at to put the water through the hose and on the fire. Here we carry a lot of tools. Most importantly, our forcible entry tools. Here we have our axe and other forcible entry tools. This way we have our engineer's compartment. This is called the SCBA. That's what we breathe out of when we're inside of a fire. Now, Sinani's going to go ahead and take over from here.
Hey guys, so this is the back of the engine, alright? So right here we got our bigger hose. It's about 4 inches wide. Inside, it's about 800 feet of it. We lift up right here. We got some cool equipment, like some little toys that we got. We got a big chainsaw and a rotary saw. We use this to cut up a bunch of things that we use to fight fire with. Over here, we got some more hose as well. This is to take it up to really tall buildings.
And this is where the captain sits.
Yes.
Now let's see how these lights and waves, which you see us riding in, travel. Now this is what you see every day. So now we see our lights all over the rig, so you can see us when we're traveling around the city. Thanks for joining us, Edison Elementary.
First graders,